Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a shape transparent in Google Slides on your mobile phone through the Google Slides app. Whether you are on iOS or Android, it is the same for both the devices, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. And let's get started with the video. First, you need to open your Google Slides app and make sure you are logged in into your account. As you can see, I have already logged in into my account. Now, open the slide where you want to add that shape. Now, simply tap on a presentation and click on Edit Slides. After you are on this page, simply click on the plus icon on the top of your screen and go to the shapes option. You can choose any shape as you want here. For now, I will simply choose this circle over here. After that, you need to choose the fill icon at the bottom of your screen right here. Now you can choose any color as you want, but here you want to make it transparent, so you will simply choose no color at all. And as you can see, there is no color added to the shape, and you can move and readjust this shape any place as you want. As you can see, I'm doing it right here. If you want the outline gone, tap the pencil icon and choose the border as well, and you can make this border as thin as you want or any color that you want. For now, I will simply choose white color, and that's it guys. Your shape is fully transparent or partially depending on what you need. Perfect for layering text, image, or making designs look cleaner. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want me to cover more Google slide tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.